that was fun. I'm out of here now. That was fun. Yeah, we're right in the middle of it. Probably the last thing.
The transformer, right?
Yeah, you see the wind, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is nuts. Probably like the last place I want to be right now. If it gets, yeah, we're in the middle of a big thunderstorm right now. Sorry. Wow. Can't even see anything right now.
You saw the transformers there?
Yeah, the thing is, there's an electric shortage right over here.
I don't know.
Alright, you can see the wind. It's really hard to see, but you can see the wind right here at the mobile gas station. Like if the rain is storming right in front of us. Holy shit. Sign just came down. Try to get a better view. Wow. Pouring too much. Oh man. This is just from a gust of wind. All these business cards just went all over the floor. People are scared. No one knows what to do. I'm missing the Sox game right now. Can't believe that. Wow. Yeah. When I moved from Plainfield, I was expecting to avoid this shit. And apparently that's not the case. Tacos on the house if there's a tornado, right? Come on. Alright guys, this is our last meal. Let's do it. I hope I'm joking. Holy shit. Can't even see it.
La troca tiene los luces abajo.
Alright.
No está abierto. Ya, mira.
Creo que no, ¿no?
Wow, we're right in the middle of it, guys.
Creo que no.
Okay.